This video is an explanation of how the encoder follows the robot in loading and unloading materials. Click Process, Conveyor Belt Tracking Process. Parameter Settings. Determine the process number. Click to start setting up. Click to modify. Determine whether the encoder direction is forward or reverse. Set according to the situation. Conveyor position mode selection, encoder. Click Save, click Next page. Click to modify. Set the signal source and parameters according to the actual situation. The workpiece identification mode is set to Sensor. Click Save, click Next page. Click Modify, click Start Calibration. Turn on the transmitter. Will shut down after reaching the designated location. Operate the robot to reach the first workpiece position. Click to calibrate. Click Next. Calibrate the next workpiece according to the prompts. Turn the conveyor on, move to the next position and then turn it off. Move the robot to the second position via the teach pendant. Click Calibrate. Click Next. The third point does not require turning on and off the machine. Move the workpiece a little towards the y-axis. Operate the robot to reach the designated location. Click Calibrate, click Next. Operate the robot to lift up a certain distance. Click Calculate. Click Next page. This page is the calibration of the sensor. Click Modify to start calibration. You can take a look at the description. Place the workpiece on the transfer table. Turn on the machine and shut down after the workpiece passes the sensor. When the workpiece passes, the sensor will trigger. Operate the robot to reach the workpiece location. Click Calibrate, click Next. Replace the actual gripper and move the robot to the actual grasping posture. We have no gripping, no setting. Click Calibrate, click Next. Click to calculate. This is the result after calibration. Click Next page. This is our calibration point page. Click to modify. We can learn about the location through this video. This is point X where we start tracking. Click Mark. Moving a certain distance to the side is the latest accepted position. No more signals will be received at this location. Click to calibrate. The maximum tracking range X is the range we track. No more tracking beyond this range. Tracking range Y is the smallest. Tracking range Y is the largest. Tracking range Z minimum. Tracking range Z is the largest. After marking all points, click Save and click Next page. Click to end. Click on the project and find the name of the newly created program just now. Click to open. Point-to-point distance modification. That is to say, grab the safe point of the position and modify it. Set the current position as point P and click to confirm. For the industrial number, select the one you just set. Loop, trace starts. Delay 5 seconds. Tracking ends. Tracking and position modification. Click to modify. Set the current position as point P. Click OK. The process ends here. Turn the button to auto and press start.